I want to help you understand why people are so different than you. And if we're going to do this, we have to talk about the mind. We have to talk about your subjective experience and other people's subjective experience. When we're doing this, we're talking about the software running on the hardware. Everybody's software is doing something different, and we don't know what it is. But what we can do is we can create classification systems, cognitive models. And let me give you an example of how we do this. If you imagine yourself walking down a path and you kick your toe on something, there's a sensation. We can classify that cognitive experience as sensation. You pick the thing up. It's cold, it's rough, it's heavy. This is sensation. Then you can classify it as a rock. This is thinking. Then you can say, I don't like this rock. That's feeling. And you can say, I'm going to throw this rock, or I could save it and I could build a wall, a house out of it, or I could use it to throw at somebody. And this is intuition. What do I do with something? What does it mean? How does it move into the future? And this is pattern recognition. So these are really simple 4 classifications that can create a foundation for understanding how people are different. When we start to talk about the outer world, like that was an outer experience, that was all extroverted. This is helping you create a model of the outer world. There's also an inner world, how you view yourself, and this is introversion. And what we then have are 8 different cognitive functions, or the 4 functions in 2 attitudes, extroverted or introverted. As you're growing up, you will decide that you like being in certain functions better than other functions. Some functions make you feel icky. Some people love to be abstracted into classification and building systems, and when you ask them how they feel, they are confused because they're like, what are you talking about? I'm just classifying things. Other people love being in their emotions, love telling you how they feel about that thing or about this thing, and this is, a feeling type. We use all 8 of the functions. We have to use all the 8 of the functions, but what makes us so unique and different is that we each have our own development in certain areas and a weakness in other areas. And this is what sort of the foundation of a personality type is that our resources over our life have gone into developing discernment in different functions than other people.